singing rivers, nature and adventure awaits you.
The journey to Ambuluwawa. The temple is also home to the famous Tower of Heaven, a spiral staircase that offers an exhilarating climb and stunning vistas at every step. It's a must-visit for anyone seeking tranquility, natural beauty, and an unforgettable spiritual experience. The journey to Ambuluwawa is an adventure in itself. Whether you're an adventurer, a nature lover, or someone searching for peace, Ambuluwawa is the perfect destination.